Are you suffering with loose dentures? Are you suffering with mobile dentures? So no more dentures. You can say goodbye to dentures. The total replacement with implants. So full mouth implants was possible only for earlier, only for few people who had sound bone. Now it's implants for everyone. It's called basal implants. It's a revolution in implants. So IDE Dental has introduced these implants. It's a world-class implants like anything like Noble Biocare or BioHorgens or Trident or any other system. This is just like any other system and the most comfortable approach for everyone. So implants in this, it's a process is going to be, earlier implants used to take totally 9 months treatment. So after teeth removal, one has to wait for 4 months. After 4 months, one has to, after we place the implants, after implants, we wait for another 4 months to give a crowns. In this, the total process is completed in just 2 days time or 3 days time. So if somebody has doesn't have even one tooth, the same day we place upper 10 implants, upper arch, lower arch we place 10 implants, we take impression, measurement and then we deliver crowns in 24 to 48 hours with CAD/CAM. And then they can start chewing initially soft food for first month, second month they can start chewing the medium. For after 3 months they can chew everything, anything like non-chicken or mutton or anything, any hard stuff they can start chewing or biting. So implant, since it's 8 times stronger than natural tooth, they'll have teeth just like young people. So one don't need to be scared of this procedure, since it's not as surgical involved. In many cases we don't cut, we just expand the bone and they place the implant with the instruments. So this process is simple. And somebody has a total mobile teeth, normal regular case, after removal one has to be without teeth for some time, at least for a month for a denture. Now after removing the teeth, we use laser to clean the infected tissue. The total teeth are mobile. In that case, we remove the total mobile teeth and clean the infected tissue with laser, and then the same removal sockets, we place titanium implants, basal implants inside, and then we may take measurement. Wherever there is no bone, instead of screw approach, we place a horizontal plate type implants we place. So after that we take measurement in 48 hours, we deliver the crowns, we give the teeth. So if somebody is planning, somebody doesn't have mobile teeth or any, since they are feeling its implants is very expensive in Europe or US, they can plan to India. The same system, the best implants you can have, the CAD/CAM you can get here with a much lesser cost, with a 50% or 1/3 cost. So normal regular implants we charge around say about $1,000 or $800. This implants cost only $600. So the upper 10 implants, lower 10 implants, and the crowns. The crown is, the total process is completed in 3 days or 4 days time, and then you can go back to your place. So now everybody is an implant patient. Who has a mobile dentures, who are fed up with the old dentures, they can say goodbye to dentures. If somebody is planning for implants, then first initially please take one ophthalmopantograph, one distal X-ray or please scan that X-ray and send us OPG, ophthalmopantograph, which gives you a detailed picture of your upper and lower jaw bone. And the second thing is, we suggest certain blood tests. Please get that and send the reports. Then then you can plan for 5 to 7 days time in Hyderabad and in India and come to India. Then we'll be placing the first day one, we'll be checking and giving the total detailed plan, and we'll be sending you we'll be taking a few tests. Then after that we'll be planning in surgery. Then the crowns, we place the surgery takes totally 3 to 4 hours. After that, crowns are placed in 24 hours to 48 hours. So the regular traditional process. If it is a tough case, it takes 1 or 2 days more. So prepare that to stay in India for 7 days and get your total dental treatment for total full mouth implants, and you can say goodbye to dentures permanently. And instructions, you don't need to take special care about this teeth. Only thing, you have to maintain properly, you have to clean properly. That only brushing and flossing every day and cleaning with a small brush if there is any gaps anywhere, and scaling every 6 months. That's only concern. After that, special care is not required.